Hello and welcome to Dad's Dishes. Today we're going to be making a super quick, super easy oatmeal breakfast cookie. Well, it's shaped like a cookie, but the similarities end there. They're more like a circular breakfast bar. These are perfect for when you have only one overripe banana left, which sadly is not enough to make banana bread. Be sure to check out my other videos on banana bread though. But this is perfect for this recipe. It's also great for those who have a texture problem with wet, mushy oatmeal. As a bonus, the recipe is vegan. It can be gluten-free if you use certified gluten-free oats. It's full of natural, unprocessed ingredients, so they're great for an after-school snack for the kids or an on-the-go breakfast.
First, mash a banana with the back of a fork in a bowl like this.
Next, grind half a cup of oats in a spice grinder like this.
When you're done, the oats will look powdery like this.
Next, add 1 cup unground oats, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons ground flax to the dry ingredients.
Now chop 1/3 of a cup of walnuts.
Then add 2 tablespoons applesauce and mix everything together until moistened.
Shape the batter into 6 cookies on a cookie sheet.
Then put everything into a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 to 18 minutes.
Your cookies are done when they are slightly golden brown.
Let's review, class. How is this healthy? First off, this recipe is chock full of all natural, unprocessed, whole foods. Especially avoided has been the man-made, dastardly, evil white processed sugar. We've added walnuts to add healthy fats. I've extolled the virtues of the superfood flax in many of my other videos, including omega-3s, fiber, and cancer-fighting lignans. And in addition, we have avoided the use of white flour, which has been processed and stripped of nutritional benefits, and instead used whole oats.
I have some steps for you before you leave this video. 1. Like. 2. Subscribe to Dad's Dishes and put the notifications on all. And 3. Share this video with everyone you know. And 4. Comment down below. Bye!